Which statement about bonds is correct? A. The C double bond C bond in ethene is more polar than the C single bond C bond in ethane. B. A sigma bond is stronger than a pi bond. C. The HCH bond angle in ethane is greater than the HCH bond angle in ethene. D. A sigma bond is formed from sideways overlap of p orbitals. So we need to work out which is correct. So the first one, the carbon-carbon double bond in ethene is more polar than the carbon-carbon single bond in ethane. This one is incorrect. Then B, the sigma bond is stronger than the pi bond. This one is correct, and that's because of the greater and stronger orbital overlap in a sigma bond versus a pi bond. So B is correct, but we need to check the other two. So the part C is asking about bond angles in ethane and ethene. So if we draw ethane and ethene, so starting with ethane, we have our carbon-carbon single bond and we have 6 hydrogens. So we can see that we've got 4 bonding pairs and no lone pairs, which makes it a tetrahedral structure with a bond angle of 109.5 degrees. Then if we draw ethene, we have our carbon-carbon double bond and we have 4 hydrogens. We can see we've got 3 bonding pairs and no lone pairs, which makes it trigonal planar, which is 120 degrees. So trigonal planar, 120 degrees is a lot bigger than 109.5 degrees. So the bond angle in ethene is greater, but that's not what this statement says. So this is incorrect. Then looking at D, the sigma bond is formed from sideways overlap of p orbitals. This is incorrect. This should read pi bond. And the sigma bond is formed with the direct head-on-head overlap of p orbitals rather than a sideways overlap. That's pi bonding with a sideways overlap. So D is incorrect. And then in the answer box, we can write B. So to get the mark for this question, you need to write B in the answer box provided.